Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Your Garmin Force trolling motor is already a powerful tool, but did you know connecting it to ActiveCaptain can transform your fishing experience? This integration allows for incredible convenience, putting chart plotting and advanced controls right at your fingertips. Imagine updating your Force's software or setting precise routes directly from your smartphone or tablet. It truly makes your time on the water more efficient and enjoyable. Getting ready for the connection is straightforward. First, make sure your Garmin Force is powered up and close to your mobile device. Next, open your ActiveCaptain app and confirm it's running the very latest version, as updates often include important compatibility improvements. Finally, take a moment to ensure your Force motor itself has the most current software installed, which is usually done through the app or a compatible Garmin chart plotter. Now for the connection itself. Open your ActiveCaptain app and look for the Garmin devices or Connect a Device option. From there, select Add Device and your app will begin searching for nearby Garmin products, including your Force trolling motor. Once your Force appears, simply select it and confirm the pairing. You might see a code or a confirmation request pop up on your Force remote. Just approve it and you're good to go. Once connected, a whole new world of control opens up. You can now use ActiveCaptain to manage your waypoints and routes, seamlessly sending them to your Force motor. Need to update your Force's software? The app will alert you and guide you through the process, keeping your motor running its best. You can even access and control features like anchor lock directly from your phone, making your time on the water even more productive and convenient. Sometimes, technology needs a little nudge. If your Force isn't connecting, a simple restart of both your trolling motor and your mobile device often solves the issue. Always double-check that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on your phone and that you're standing close to your Force. If you're still having trouble, Garmin's online support or the ActiveCaptain help section are excellent resources, providing up-to-date solutions for any challenges you might face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.